Coming around. Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's an overcast day here, but we're going to talk about service this morning for a specific reason. I got an email over the weekend about service, and it was something I wanted to address this morning. So I've been thinking about it this weekend and thought, hey, let's do it. And from where Shane and I and Abigail are standing right now, you could see 15 coaches. I had to count them, so I'm not just estimating. I see 15 coaches, and we're just outside the service department. And another thing that's really cool, this older Marathon right here behind me, the previous owner who owned it 14 years ago just came up to me right before going live, and he said, hey, that's my old coach. I haven't seen it in 14 years. And that's really cool about the service department. A lot of owners, and I can see two of them right behind me talking. It's kind of a social situation here in our service departments, whether it be Florida, Texas, or Oregon here at the mothership where all the coaches are built. But the thing is, it's like everybody gets together and they talk about their issues with coaches, their love of coaches, things they've seen, things that, basically they share tips and ideas and thoughts, and it's really neat to see. But from out here, we're going to go inside in just a minute, so stick with us. We're going to head inside. But from outside here, you can see how many coaches are in the service department, and this is only outside. That doesn't count what's going on inside the service bays and in the paint bays, because some of the stuff that's going on down in paint is service. And I see Ryan Fox over here, the head of our paint team, doing some assessment this morning of some paint jobs for his department. But we're going to go into the service department. We're going to walk all the way through it, but I wanted to start out here because there's so much going on. 15 coaches outside. How many coaches are inside and what's going on? We're also going to go inside a coach and look at the flooring, new flooring. Let's go. All right. One of the top things we do in our service department, not just servicing the coaches, but we do a lot of upgrades, a lot of remodels. And one of the things, I love it when people try to avoid the camera. I see you. I would avoid it too, but hey, I'm in front. Here's the deal. So many remodels from flooring, and I'm going to show you right now. These are just some of the samples that we use. Countertops and flooring and lighting and TV audio visual upgrades. Those are some of the more popular ones. Let's go this way. This is a really busy wall, and it shows everybody that's in here today. Today's priorities, washing, details. There's so many things that need to be taken care of. I mean, literally on this list, I see 25-ish coaches, and that's the importance of making an appointment. And all these active work orders that are going on right here on this wall, all of these coaches are being currently worked on, and I don't know, 3, 6, 9, 12. Yep, it looks like 25-ish coaches are being worked on currently. And then from this vantage point, you can see all of the coaches that are in our service department. There was 15 out, and it looks like 8 in this row. We're gonna walk all the way down this row and into a coach because I want you to see a new floor we're working on. As a salesman here at Marathon, the service departments are so important because, there's a lot that's going on in these coaches, whether it be a 25-year-old coach or a brand new coach. And it's really one of those things where the service department is so vital to keeping the coach not just running and on the road, but successfully running and on the road so that the customers, the clients, have a good experience in their coach. The last thing that they want to do is be in the service department all the time. And so having techs that are so experienced, we have some of the most experienced techs in the industry right here in this building. All right, let's go look at this floor. And there's the new floor, and you can see the old subfloor underneath. Yeah, that's really nice. And they're working on they're going to be pulling it up and putting down new floors. So it'll be nice to see what we're going to do inside this coach. And that's one of the top upgrades that you see in this, in Oregon, is flooring. Audiovisual, flooring, lighting, upgrading lights. A lot of older coaches, they have the halogen lights, and upgrading to LEDs cuts down on energy, but it also cuts down on the heat. This is another thing that we do down here. I want to put an emphasis on remodels. Remodels, you can go very in depth, or you can go, very little. You can do like Robert just got done doing a shower for a family. I know that the family is actually out there enjoying their new shower right now, and they are watching this morning, I'll bet. So if you guys are out there, a big hello to the Reedies, because they are enjoying their new shower, and we're going to be showing their coach, their new coach, Coach 1417, all the way through production. That's going to be exciting. That's we profiled it a couple weeks ago as they just got started on it, but that's a coach that we're going to show between now and the end of the year, all the way through, and we're going to create a big show at the end on all the way through 1417. So I know I'm excited about that. And they're out on the road right now, and that's one of the things, just getting the shower remodeled, just getting a new cabinet in your coach, new flooring. Service department is so, it's so cool to see. There's always something. It's just like our production floor. It changes every day. But down here on a Monday, it's nuts. But, we've got over 25 coaches in this department alone. That doesn't even count the paint department. I was over there this morning looking at a coach getting repainted, getting a reimagining when it came to the paint. Anyway, really cool to see so many different things in this really vibrant department. Be yourself and do good things. I'm going to get out of here for the day. If you are looking to get into a marathon, reach out to me. Don't forget, my paramount job is to sell you a coach. MalW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. Hope you had a good weekend and hope you have a good, safe week. I was here, and like what I'm going to say, I'm gone.